Welcome to Nature Special. Today we embark on a journey to explore 7 of the most mysterious places on Earth. Realms where nature's rules seem to bend and the unknown still reigns. From fiery craters to silent forests, let's begin our adventure into the world's greatest natural enigmas. In northern Tanzania's Great Rift Valley lies Lake Natron, a shimmering crimson lake beneath the old Doinyo Lengai volcano. Its caustic, hyperalkaline waters can reach 60 degrees Celsius, preserving animals that fall in as eerie stone-like statues, a haunting reminder of nature's deadly beauty. Lake Natron is a surreal landscape where life and death are etched in salt and stone. Deep in Turkmenistan's Karakum Desert, a fiery crater known as the Door to Hell has burned for over 50 years. Born from a Soviet drilling accident, this man-made inferno rages day and night, its flames fueled by vast underground gas reserves. Even here, extremophil bacteria thrive, proving life's resilience in the most unlikely places. The Mariana Trench plunges nearly 11,000 meters beneath the Pacific, a realm of crushing pressure and total darkness. Strange life forms, ghostly snailfish, giant amoebas, survive in this abyss, a place more mysterious than the surface of Mars. The trench remains one of Earth's last great frontiers, holding secrets we've barely begun to uncover. The Bermuda Triangle, stretching between Bermuda, Florida and Puerto Rico, is infamous for unexplained disappearances of ships and planes. Theories range from violent weather and rogue waves to magnetic anomalies, but some cases remain unsolved. The triangle endures as a symbol of the ocean's power to mystify and conceal. At the base of Mount Fuji lies Aokigahara, Japan's Sea of Trees, a forest so dense and silent it absorbs sound, creating an eerie, otherworldly quiet. Its labyrinthine paths and profound silence have inspired legends and scientific curiosity alike. Aokigahara reminds us that sometimes the greatest mysteries are found in what is absent. Socotra, isolated in the Indian Ocean, is home to alien landscapes and unique life found nowhere else on Earth. Dragon's blood trees and bizarre bottle trees dominate, while endemic animals thrive in this living laboratory of evolution. Socotra is a fragile treasure, revealing how life adapts in isolation. On England's Salisbury Plain stands Stonehenge, a prehistoric monument shrouded in mystery. Massive stones, transported from distant lands, form a circle aligned with the solstices, its true purpose still unknown. Stonehenge endures as a silent sentinel, guarding the secrets of our ancestors. Our journey through Earth's mysteries ends here, but the wonder remains. These places challenge our understanding and inspire us to keep exploring the unknown. If you enjoyed this adventure, like, subscribe, and join us again for more wonders on Nature Special.